is Akhona the Rooftop Farmer in Kenworth Center by Handpicked City Farms. Here we're talking crop selection. What are the factors that influence our decision on what are we growing? The number one factor is the season, the planting season. Is it a summer crop or a winter crop? So you can't plant winter crops in summer or summer crops in winter. The second one would be the market access. Because remember, whatever you're farming, you have to get rid of it. Who's going to buy it? So that's a very most important factor. If you are growing 200 lettuce, you should know that there is someone who's going to buy that 200 lettuce. And the third one is the growth rate. How fast are your crops going to grow? So basically here we're growing lettuce. It only takes 3 weeks for this to go to the market. So that's what we want. Because the more we plant, the more money we make. Okay, so you also see here that we have a lot of spring onions. This whole line is full of spring onions because they help us with pest and disease control. And you'll also see just here, we have leeks. Leeks is also an allium plant. Remember last time we spoke about companion planting? So this is the reason. In summer we plant tomatoes, and in winter we plant broccoli and cauliflower. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks with Akhona the Farmer.